I ever told you about my son? Remarkable boy. Quite smart. He was born in a robot factory in the Solana galaxy. But to be precise, he was created much farther away. My son's name is XJ0461, but the universe knows him as Clank.
My arch nemesis. Not so smart now, are you?
Sir, the Zoni are inquiring about our progress.
How much longer must we pretend to be friends with those twits? Sire does not remember. You must fix. Yes, I'm fixing.
Stand by for sisterboard scan.
All right, let's see. Favorite color's green, favorite number's 83 billion and 4.7, blah, blah, blah.
Access denied. Neural safeguard activated.
No! Locked out again! It's in here, Lawrence. Somewhere in this brain lies the key to the Orbis chamber. No Orbis chamber. Your Zoniness. If we could take but a peek at the chamber. No Orbis chamber. Chamber is for Sire only. Very well. Then I think it's time our partnership came to an end. Say hello to...
Not the hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
The Hypersonic Brainwave Scrambler!
Apologies, sir. I should have mentioned the equipment is especially susceptible to sonic weaponry.
Backup generator activated.
What the? He's awake! Stop him!
Clank! Where are you going, Clank? Why are you so compact so we can discuss this? Robot to robot! He's here! And all troops reporting into us!
Attempting to analyze Clank.
No, you old leave him alive! Sir, over here!
Listen carefully. I'm your only hope of escaping Dr. Nefarious. Head into the air duct. Keep moving.
Security locks in Sector 1 have been activated. Our units are unable to proceed.
Good. You're safe for now.
Where am I? What is Dr. Nefarious doing here?
I'll explain everything as soon as you're safe, sir. But right now, we need to calibrate your ocular response processes. Try looking at the ocular scanner on your left. Good. Okay, now look at the one on the right. Got it. All right, look at the scanner above you. Good. Now, there's one more beneath you. Got it! You're recalibrated. Now, keep moving. I'll hold them off as long as I can.
Breach detected in Sector 6. Dispatching time cleaners.
Perhaps taken a hollow door. Come here, little robot. We mean you no harm. I have located
Aberrant time activity detected in Drogal sector.
Robot. Annihilate. 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 Detain the subject. We should be friends.
Time anomalies detected on planet Jacinda.
In the name of Dr.
Sir, the registry shows that the number of Zoni has dwindled from 117,000 to 205.
Zoni! Come back! I was only kidding! Come on!
There's a perfectly logical explanation for that. But let's save it for another time.
I have located the subject.
Let's go, sir. They belong to Dr. Nefarious.
Offline.
You contemptible robot! When I get my hands on you, I'll rip that dome of yours off and pull out your brain with my bare hands!
Ingenious.
Hurry up, sir. Use your helipack.
Shivering with fear.
They're on their way, sir. You have to move.
We come in peace.
Sir, Clank is in Impulse Substation 6.
Sir, up here, quickly.
Order him to cut through!
The door. Subject acquired.
Quick, they're right on your tail.
In the name of Dr. Nefarious.
Take cover, sir.
Annihilate. Annihilate.
I
Annihilate.
have an idea. I'm going to let the hypersonic brainwave scrambler into the room. Hurry, before the energy dissipates.
Detain the subject.
Good job, sir. Now keep moving.
Temporal catastrophe detected in 3, 2, 1.
What are you going to do, you escape Clank? I doubt that with Richard it's strong enough to fly you all the way to Polaris. I'll make you a deal. You show me how to get into one tiny, insignificant room, and I'll let you keep that pathetic tangle of brain wires that you call a brain.
Oh no. This is terrible. All of Orvis's work ruined. I can't believe I let this happen.
Just kidding. Do you want to go have some wine? Or perhaps take me to
Sir, we've located the caretaker's signal. He's in the Sector 1 room closet. Sir, we've located the caretaker's signal. He's in the Sector 1 room closet.
Warning. Warning. Unauthorized.
Sir, they locked me in. Keep moving and don't let them anywhere near the chamber.
Sector 1. Clock integrity critical.
Go ahead. Jump!
Dr. Nefarious, I should have known you were behind this. Where have you taken me?
You don't recognize it? This is your home! The Great Clock! A marvel of science and sorcery, engineered by the brightest Sony in all of existence, and constructed in the exact center of the universe! Give or take 50 feet.
I am curious. What lie did you tell the Zoni in your quest for vengeance?
Vengeance? You think I went to all this trouble for mere vengeance? They say I'm egomaniacal. Let's just say it's all in the past. Lawrence!
Right here, sir.
Ready the orb of gratuitous immobilization.
Shall I prepare the mnemonic station again?
No, I have a better idea.
But, sir...
Patience, Lawrence. We have all the time in the universe.
Space. It's huge. So huge, in fact, that if you lost your car keys in it, they would be almost impossible to find. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize this ship has an ejector seat, right?
Sorry. I guess you could say I've been a little antsy in my pantsy at the thought of getting back into the hero business. Yep. These wild stallions have been in the stable too long.
Right. Look, just keep your eyes peeled. Talon says this sector's crawling with mercenaries.
Rest easy, my friend. My vigilance is both eternal and peripheral.
Warning. Warning. Unidentified anomaly detected.
Hang on. Shifting to evasive maneuvers.
Oh no! We're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh, good thing I'm wearing clean underwear!
Will you shut up? We are not gonna die! Aphelion! Engage gravimetric stabilizers!
Negative. Stabilizers offline. Thrusters offline. Landing flaps offline.
Alright, so we're gonna die. Hang on!
I know. So much for clean underwear.
Where the heck are we?
Beats me. Perhaps a leisurely stroll through this uncharted jungle will solve the mystery. Marooned on a hostile alien planet, Captain Quark realized his rescue mission would inevitably pit him against the most terrifying evil of all, nature itself. Ratchet! Nature is attacking! for a sidekick. Take this, evil tuber!
Hey, what are you shooting me for? Okay, slight problem. I'm not so good with swimming.
Just wait here. I'll find you another way across.
Oh, great. This rain is gonna be murder on my spandex.
What's the plan, anyway?
Well, where there are bridges, there are people. Where there are people, there are ships. You see where I'm going with this?
Hey, that's pretty smart. You're gonna make a great sidekick. Look at this beautiful native craftsmanship. Take that, culture!
Whoa! Quark,